Hello everyone, in today's lesson, I'll show you the easiest way to change the color of an object using the hue saturation option. The images I used in the lesson will be available for download in the description, and we'll see each other in a few moments. We'll start by loading the first image, which features a red and black car. Let's say we want to change the color of the red car to something else. For this, we'll need the Hue Saturation option located in the Adjustments tab, which we demonstrated how to enable in the previous lesson if it's not already visible. To reiterate, if you don't have the Adjustments tab visible, you can bring it up by going to Windows and then Adjustments. We'll open the Adjustments tab and find the Hue Saturation option. As you can see, a window with 3 scales has opened. On the top scale, we change the color, on the middle one, we adjust the color intensity, and on the bottom one, we darken or lighten the image. Now let's see what happens. When we adjust the top scale, you'll notice that the colors change across the entire image. Moving the middle scale allows us to completely desaturate the image to black and white, or intensify the color by dragging it in the opposite direction. On the bottom scale, we can darken or lighten the entire image. You're probably wondering how this option can be useful if we only want to change the color of the red car, since the colors change across the entire image. This is where the master option, above the scales, comes into play. When set to master, the color changes throughout the entire image, but clicking on this option will bring up a drop-down menu where we can choose a specific color we want to change in the image. And only that color will be affected when we move the slider. When set to master, the color changes throughout the entire image, but clicking on this option will bring up a drop-down menu where we can choose a specific color we want to change in the image, and only that color will be affected when we move the slider. In this case, we'll choose red, and you'll see that only the color of the car changes as we move the slider. Down here on this last slider, we see between these marks which specific colors will be changed, and we can manually adjust these marks to take a broader range of colors into account. Let's open another image to see the same process on a different example. Here we have a photo with flowers, and now we'll change the color of the blue flower to something else. So, we'll open the Hue Saturation option located in the Adjustments tab, and instead of Master, we'll choose the blue color. Now, as we move the slider, you'll see that only the blue flower's color is being changed. If we want to change the color of only one blue flower, then we must use a tool called the Lasso tool. I'll cover everything about this tool in one of the upcoming lessons, so I won't delve into it further now. When we use this tool to roughly outline this flower, for example, you'll see that the color changes only on that flower while the other remains blue. That's all for this lesson, and in the next one, I'll show you how to work with text. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications to receive updates when I release the next lesson. See you soon. Goodbye.